Hey, do you remember this video? It was about transforming your chord progression into multiple melodies. And ever since I posted it, I just can't get some of these melodies out of my head. And worst of all, it makes me want to sing them. So let's give it a try. This is what your chord progression would sound like if it was sung by a choir. Or actually, multiple versions of me.
This is how those chords sound. All those are melodies.
So what do you think? Did I pass the choir test? Write down any of your chord progressions in the comments that you want me to sing. And send me a link of a video or a recording of how you play it. Then I will turn it into melodies and sing it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and you can watch the original one over here. Stay inspired, stay creative, and for now, see you next time.